In this lesson, we're looking at Python operators, and you're going to be familiar with most, but probably not all of them. So these are mostly mathematical operators that you've used. Some may look a little different. So addition, subtraction, that's normal multiplication, that's your asterisk shift 8 on your computer. Division, this is the one under the question mark. Modulus, which you probably haven't seen before, and that's a percent sign, and exponent, 2 to the power of, and that gives you the two asterisks for that. Then we also have comparison operators. Equals equals checks to see if two things are equal. Is 50 equal to 42? In programming, the exclamation point frequently means not. Not equal to. Is 50 not equal to 42? Then you can have greater than equal to, or less than equal to. There are also logical operators. And, or, not. And returns true if both components are true, or returns true if either component is true. So this is something where I love to give an example of my kids who are in their 30s now, but I had a son named Matthew, and when he was a kid, you inherently understand this part of programming. If I told Matthew, if you take out the garbage and you clean your room, we can rent a video game, he knew that he had to do both. If I told him, if you take out the garbage or clean your room, he would choose the garbage because it was a lot less work, and then we would go rent him the video game. So it's pretty straightforward and works the way that you're used to it working. The order of operations is PEMDAS. First, anything inside of parenthesis, then any exponentation, then multiplication and division are done from left to right. Then finally, addition and subtraction are done also from left to right. Those orders are important. You can override that using parentheses, which I do frequently because it makes the code easier for me to understand. I'll give you an example of these in the programming video.